Hi everyone, I'm Ed, the miniature maker, and today we're going to make some miniature cards, 2" by 2" using the Stampin' Up products. I'll list everything in the description below. If you'd be so kind as to subscribe and like the video, that would help it get out there. Right, let's start by making the card base. We're going to be using Whisper White card. I've got a little bit from another project here. Use my Stampin' Up trimmer, cutting blade. I'm going to take it down to 4" on the long side. Push firmly down on the blade to make sure it goes through, and then on the short side we're going to go to 2" or just over 5 centimeters. Cut across there. Yes. Then taking the scoring piece, we're going to put it in at 2" on the long side, and I always like to double score. Bring it out, fold it across, push it flat. Okay, there we go, nice and simple. 2" by 2". Today I'm going to be using a couple of pieces of DSP from various packs I've got. Just acquired them, mostly from my upline. Very pretty cards, and then some of the in colours. What I would do with them is I cut them to 2" on the long side. As you see, I've already cut this one, and then I'm going to cut it to 1 centimetre on the short side. Can be quite tricky with these miniature things. I would suggest pushing down firmly on here. Make sure you don't get your finger in the way of the blade. Push down firmly, that gives you a nice clean centimetre cut. Obviously, here's 3 I prepared earlier. A little bit of card to put a stamp on, put a sentiment on. What I'm going to be using today is my favourite stamp set. The ATB2 Greetings comes in 2 packs. You get 32 stamps, all relatively small, obviously, in the title. I'm going to be using the Many Thanks, I think, today. Or should we use something else? How about Celebrate? That's quite a nice little one. So, get this one out. Brand new stamp set, so find where we are. Celebrate. I'm going to be using the D block. Again, links in the description for all of these products that I'm using. Celebrate on like that. See that? There we go. And I'm going to be using Grapefruit Grove. So, let me stamp up. A little bit of ink. A little bit of ink. On it goes. On, push, off. Perfect. Ink away. Make sure you put your ink away, otherwise you get your hands in it, feet in it, or whatever. Right, let's trim the Celebrate down. A couple of stamps away for now. Trimmer. Just going to trim it nice and smallish. Obviously don't want to go too far with it. Make sure it's nice and straight. Plenty of card left for another card later. Just going to trim it down because it's a little bit on the big side for what we want. These can be a little bit fiddly. Sometimes if it's not going to cut, then I tend to use scissors. But if you push firmly on the plastic, on the clear plastic, you can score it and cut it quite nicely. Like that. There we go, a little Celebrate. Where are you going to focus? There we go. Next we're going to use a little bit of the yellow. There we go, a nice piece. In fact, I might trim that down a bit more, just so there's not so much white. Push down on the clear, across with the blade. Push down on the clear, across with the blade. You probably noticed that I'm doing a lot of this left and right handed. I am ambidextrous. So, Put that on there. I'm going to cut this to 2 inches, or, well, no, it's at 1 inch and 3/4 rather, so that's plenty long enough. Just want to get the height of it right. Let's go for, so this cut is about 1 centimetre and a bit, so we want it go 2 centimetres. Square it up, push down the clear, across with the blade. Perfect. So, sentiment onto the cardstock. Remember, pineapple punch with the grapefruit grove stamp on the top. Quite simple, quite easy. Now, putting it all together, move this out of the way, back onto the cutting mat. So, what I'm going to do with these is arrange them vertically. Always put them on your card before you glue them down, just to make sure you've got them cut the right size. They might be too long, too wide. So what I've done with this is the white card is 5 centimetres wide. What I'm using, I've got that the wrong way round. I've got a 5 centimetre card around the outside edge. I can line it up on the square so you can see 5 centimetres by 5 centimetres. These individual strips are 1 centimetre by 5 centimetres, so it's enough for a little bit of a gap between each one of these little strips. Okay, and then going to do with this one, we're going to go straight over the middle on top and make the yellow pop in that left hand stripe. Right, glue it down. I'm going to be using the Tombow, Stampin' Up's own glue. A little bit of glue on the back. Not enough. Stick it down with glue. You've got a little time to wiggle it around. Make sure it's square. And there we go. From doing this card before, I know that that's about the right gap. Take your time. Don't rush these things. Second piece on. I should put the spots next. Yeah, let's put the spots next. I really like these DSPs. They come in the ink colours, the 5 ink colours, and you've got spots and stripes, and they work pretty much with any paper I've seen so far. Yeah, I'm using it with this one. I cannot remember the name of it offhand. It'll be in the description, but again, all DSP, Designer Series paper, has 2 sides. Let's glue down this one. There we go. Gluing that down. It's a little bit long, that piece. Shouldn't last too much. I'm getting glue everywhere, as normal. You've got a little baby wipe, it's useful to clean the fingers. But I'll press on. Put down the yellow. And this is entirely up to you. You can have it in the middle, you can have it on the bottom, at the top. The world is your oyster, as they say. A little bit of glue on the back of the sentiment. Stick the sentiment down the middle. And there we go. First miniature maker 2 inch by 2 inch card. Middle sentiment card. Because sometimes you don't really want to send a big card. They take up a lot of space, don't they? But that, sitting on a mantelpiece, could look quite nice. So this is the miniature maker, and today we've made this little 2 inch by 2 inch card. Bring along the first one that I made, quite similar. There we go. I'm the miniature maker. Hope to see you around. If you can like and subscribe, that'd be great. And see you in my next video. Bye then.